Hi beautiful, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we're making beef chimichangas. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. My family loves these chimichangas and I'm sure yours will love it too. Now let's make them together. In a skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 pound of ground beef and 1 chopped onion. Saute it for about 7 to 10 minutes. After drain grease, then add 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Saute it for about 1 more minute. Next, add 4 ounces of green chili peppers and 16 ounces of refried beans. Mix with a wooden spoon and cook until everything's heated through. Then turn off the heat. Now add about half a cup of mixture onto a tortilla. Next, add cheese and spinach. Then fold it like you see it here in the video. Brush chimichangas with melted butter and bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. After they're done baking, serve them with salsa, grated cheese, sour cream, and greens like chives. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this and hit the bell button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Munchkin Time Vlog. I'll see you guys there. Bye!